Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Reza, former scientist in area of the nutrition and skeletal research, and last 8 years I work in pharmaceutical industry. But from this month I become full-time content creator for healthy lifestyle. I want to today ask you a questions. How often you use or making seafood meal per week? For example, for my family and I, we don't even consume one seafood per week. And I want to change this. But when I was looking at the statistics, I was quite surprised to see our family is not alone. For example, in Australia, 1 out of 5 people only use enough seafood per week. Health guidelines suggested at least we use 2 seafood per week because it's very good source of the protein and provide us a lot of healthy fat as well. Despite that, we don't use enough, and really I want to change this one, and today's video is about that. But before we get how I'm going to change this one, I want to ask you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this channel especially are dedicated to content and tips and hacks about the food, about exercise, about sleep and well-being, everything associated with health, especially to help middle-aged people to get healthier and happier, and they can do more. Therefore, by subscribing to my channel, you're never going to miss out. But anyhow, without any further delay, let's start to how we can start to putting some seafood our daily week. Then ingredient need for this food is of course is athletic salmon, sweet paprika, Ken's curry, fennel seed, black pepper, fresh dill, chili flake and olive oil. Then maybe you ask why I choose this fish. Well, when it comes to seafood, not all of the fish that are created equal too. I choose athletic salmon because it tastes great, and most of my member of the family, they are happy to eat it. But most importantly, it's rich in omega-3 fatty acid, high quality protein and vitamin D, and all essential for reducing our inflammation, support our cardiovascular systems, helps our brain function better, and maintain our muscle mass. Then I decided to grill those fish this times on charcoal. As a result, I started cutting them into a cube, as you can see here, to put it in a skew, and I can basically make fish kebabs. Next steps obviously was to make the marinade, which I start to add ingredient to a mixer. Marinating our salmon, I'm going to use that curry. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons sweet paprika, 2 spoons black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Then I'm going to add some olive oil, just equivalent of that's good, 3 spoons. And then I add some water, 3. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Oh, I have 2 lemon, which I put the juice here. And the last one, actually, I have some grinded fennel. I put 2 spoons of the grinded fennel and blend all of them together as a base marination for nice color. It's ready to marinate. I'm going to add marinade here. Just mix them up. Do the same things here. I'll leave it in fridge at least for 1 hour before cooking. The last few one. I'm going to cover this now. I'm going to leave it in fridge for 1 hour, then I'm going to start to cooking it. Try it. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope you try it to make it at home as well. It's really nice, and hopefully you yourself and your family and friend enjoy it as well. But I personally want to add at least 1 seafood per week into my diet. Ideally, we wanted to make it 2, but we're going to start at least smaller steps. 1 seafood per week, I think, is very doable. And I'm going to do it because I have enough information out there to support seafood such as the salmon. Is going to help me with my cardiovascular systems and my heart to make it and keep it healthier. It improved my brain function, and I'm not going to have the brain fog. It helps reduce inflammation and avoid I get joint pain, and on top of it make my skin looks good, young, and also maintain my muscle mass, which that's quite important as we get older. Therefore, there is nothing to lose, the more to gain. Therefore, it's one those little changes we do, and when become part of habit, you can add another one, and you get compounding effect, which lead to better and healthier life in the long term, and hopefully we can maintain it as well. Therefore, it's those little changes we do make huge and important changes in long term, just like anything in life. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give a thumb up and share it with your family and friend as well. And if you like that kind of the video, please make your comment as well. It's going to help me to and motivate me to producing more that type of content. But otherwise, I just want to wish you all the best. Up to next video, please eat healthy, be active, and be curious. Bye for now.